Hi, how are you?
Hi Akka, how are you Akka?
Fine. What about you?
I'm fine Akka. How are your parents and family members are doing?
Yeah, they are doing well. What about yours?
They are doing well Akka. So, first of all, I will congratulate you. You got placed in.
Yeah, thank you. That means a lot.
Akka, what is your feeling? You are not in the college. You are in a home since you are in the college only 1.5 year.
That was very sad story because we can't enjoy our college life and all. And during this pandemic, we should accept all the things happening. And we have online classes, so we are habituated for that. And now we are very busy with placements drives and online classes, mid exams and all. So we are busy right now, and hope our college will open from October 4th.
Akka, what is your feeling about Geetam? In a few words.
Starting, it was like Gitam Bengaluru is not a good campus and placements will not be good. Like that, I felt. Now, if you ask me, I will say Gitam is the best college as I have seen all the things happening in Gitam. And faculty were very friendly with us, and placements department they put their 100% efforts to get placed. And now I would say Gitam is a good college.
Akka, what is your secret behind your success? Akka?
Secret, I would say placements department because they put their 100% efforts to get us placed, and they started our training from first year itself, and training was very nice, and we should take it seriously. That plays major role.
Akka, what is your feeling? You had success very soon.
Soon I can say it is very happy, and first offer I got at that time, my parents are very proud of me, and I would say they are very happy, and I also very happy.
Akka, how you prepared for the first interview? When you started?
When I started, I would say second year, fourth semester, but at that time I was not very serious, and just I started my preparation, and then we will be having some Q Spiders classes and face training and all. At that time, I prepared some notes and all. And when they announced some date, like particular date, you have drive at that time. 10 days before that, I started my preparation very seriously, and I record all the notes from that day. Like that, my preparation was.
Akka, how you managed both academic syllabus and interviews?
Yeah,
What is
I can say, we should not prepare for every drive. Once we prepare, then it would be enough for all the placements. Like from starting first drive, I have prepared, and that was enough for all the drives. We can manage the same thing. Just we should brush up all the things. And academics, that will going on. Like we will do one day night batting, right? So we can complete that.
Akka, what is your feeling when you are going to the first interview?
First interview, it was like very nervous, and I was literally shivering. What they will ask, and what should I prepare, and like that. Then my interview was started, and interviewer greeted me very friendly way, like "Hi Hima, how are you?" like that. Then I felt very comfortable with her, and she asked some basic C questions, and I have answered all the questions. So I was a bit confident, and like that my interview.
Akka, when you started your preparation for the interviews?
Like I said, 10 days before drive.
Akka, in interviews, which plays the major role?
In interviews, resume plays major role because it is replication of ours. Whatever we keep in resume, they ask the same questions. And I kept C, Python, and HTML, and they ask the same questions. They'll ask the basic questions, and they'll check how our basics are. Like that, they'll check.
Akka, any suggestion for the juniors who are going to take the interview in next year?
Yeah, I can say build your resume good. Like whatever you know, keep the same thing. Don't fake the interviewer. If you fake the interviewer, then finally we'll lose something like. So keep the resume trustworthy. Don't keep my friend kept 4 or 5 skills. So we should put some 2 to 3 skills like that. Whatever you know, keep the same. If you know only C language, then keep only C language. You should be thorough in that. Whatever you keep in resume, you should be thorough in that.
Okay. Akka, why you prefer the Geetam?
Why I prefer Geetam? Then there will be no answer because I started my Geetam like random. Joined in Geetam and like years going on, I was habituated with Geetam rules and all. And now I can say Geetam is the best college.
Akka, can you suggest for your juniors how we need to prepare for the interviews and plans?
For you, I would say start preparing seriously from now. For first years, I would say like from first year we have these soft skills classes and all, right? So start preparing from then only. You should maintain all like academics and this also. From that, from first year, if we start, then we'll be very confident to mingle with everyone with soft skills classes. Then in second year we have some technical training. Then we'll be confident in that and this also. So coming to fourth year, we'll be very confident. Like we should not take something burden, right? So it will be going very easily. So start preparing from first year.
Akka, our college is conducting like CoCubes exams. Akka, what is the use of it?
Yeah, from CoCubes score, we'll get some companies. From CoCubes also, we'll get some companies. So it is very useful for that. So we should score some good number only, and they'll keep some weekly tests and grand tests. From that, we'll get some practice how the written test will be. So be serious in that and prepare well and attempt all the written tests.
Akka, what is your favorite coding language and which is this?
Favorite coding language, I would say Python only because it is very easy and user friendly, and we can learn it very quick. In first year, I learned this C. So I started coding all the questions in C only. And when it comes to my interview preparations and all, then I can't answer some of the questions in C because that will make very lengthy code. So I started learning Python, and Python will be very quick and short. We can get short code in Python.
Akka, how you learned Python?
I took one course in Udemy. It is a certification course. From that I have learned, and we have YouTube, right? We can learn anything from YouTube.
Akka, like we are doing Coursera courses, Akka. We can keep that courses in the resume.
Yeah, you can keep that certificates in resume. It will take some weightage, but you should be thorough in that certification course.
Okay.
Definitely keep in resume.
Akka, few suggestions to increase our weight of the resume. Like what we need to keep in the resume.
Yeah, do some certification courses and keep the same thing. And internships, internship also plays a major role. And our project also, whatever you took as a project, then it will be like something new. Don't take the same thing what your friends and all they are taking. So take something out of the box and keep in resume. It will play a major role. Like, but you should be confident in that project. You are capable of answering all the questions in that project.
Akka, a few points about what you done the project, what you completed, and any few points about that project.
Till now, we haven't completed our major project, but I have done in an internship in Pragyan AI. In that, we have done one machine learning project, and I kept in resume. They asked some questions, some basic questions in that. What you have done? Is that a team project or individual project? and some of the basic way, what are the packages you have used in that, and what is the language you use. Like that they will ask, and we should be confident in answering all the questions.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.